Welcome! Let's get you set up with Amazon Prime Video on your device. It's simple and quick. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your device. If you don't have it, download it from your App Store. Once you've opened the app, sign in with your Amazon account details. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Now, go to the menu bar and click on Settings. Here's where the action happens. In the Settings, select Add Device. This is the key step to link your device to your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to sync your device. Just a few clicks, and you're ready to binge watch. Congratulations! Your device is now linked to Amazon Prime Video. Time to explore amazing content. Navigate through the categories or search for specific titles you love. Your movie night awaits. Don't forget to check out exclusive Prime Video originals. They're available only for you. Remember to manage your device settings for the best experience. But just what works for you. Now, grab some popcorn, settle in, and enjoy your favorite shows right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.